Hey there, everybody. It's Jeff and Mary Jane.
Hello.
From Terrain 4x4 Adventures. We're coming back to you to talk about Inhabit Design Works. Oh my gosh, they continue to come out with such amazing things. You're going to be blown away with what we're going to show you that we've just recently added to our van. Before I go into that, let me just talk about a couple things that we got after the mats. Okay, so let's start with our new countertop mat. This thing is perfect fit. Check this out. All the way around here. Just fits in so nicely.
Perfectly.
It just really changes the whole feel of the countertop. We went from this cheesy little Formica
plain
to these nice cozy mats, and just like the floors, they don't show the dirt at all, and so we can get a little build up on here as we doing some cooking and stuff, brush it off. Things stay really nice and clean, and just like the mats, you just pull these right out and just hose them down and they're clean. Then van up, open the door.
Yes, look, check this out.
You want a nice cozy shower, look at that mat. So again, perfect fit to our shower, and it just makes your toes feel so much more comfortable when you're taking your shower. And then we also, for the outdoors, have got their nice little mat that we store in the garage area. This thing goes outside the van door, rolls up really nicely. Again, cleans up in a breeze. But that's not what we came to talk to you about. Mary Jane, open our drawer.
Okay, you ready? Ta-da!
Check this out. So before, all of our utensils, we had a big pile of utensils just bouncing around in here, and as we're driving down the road, rattle, 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 no more. And so we now have the drawer inserts that hold these utensils in so snug. And again, just like their craftsmanship on fit and finish, these things tuck in really nicely. Here, I'll get it. We've got a set of dishes. These are Snow Peak, can't see that there, but Snow Peak stainless steel dishes. We got matching bowls underneath.
And four, comes with four and four.
And then we've got, pull these guys out, probably the sharpest knives. So we've got some nice cutlery. I'm not sure what the brand is, but these things are incredibly sharp. And then another problem that we had, we enjoy drinking wine while we're out in the van, and we could never find our wine opener. Problem solved. We got our nice Gerber wine opener, and obviously we've got a knife in there and some other utility to use with that as well. So they didn't just throw in whatever products here, all top notch. These utensils stay nice and snugly in place. They don't rattle as you're going down the road. Super nice, comfortable to the hand, to the touch.
And there's four of each.
Four of each. And then what do we got below, hon?
Okay, let's close that up.
And there's more.
Yes.
So we add some really nice insulated mugs. Got the nice Inhabit Design Works logo on it. These are from the Purist. Got nice tops on them. So we'll enjoy coffee in the morning and a glass of wine at night in these guys. We've got some more steak knives here. Two of them. Super sharp.
Yeah, these are great. Oh, and look at, so this is like kind of spongy, but they put this.
It's like a plastic sleeve, so when you put the knife back in, you're not going to cut up your nice drawer insert.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
And then probably Mary Jane's favorite, the salt and pepper shakers.
Oh, yes. Yes, because, oops. So you can put, you know, your actual peppercorns and
fresh
pepper and salt. I love these. These are great.
All right, and then you can see on the edges here, there's two pockets to add your own utensils. So we've got some tongs over here and some other wooden utensils down there, spatula,
spoon.
So a good amount of room to put in your own gear and personalize it as you like. these guys did a great job. These mats have been amazing, and now our kitchen matches the awesomeness that we have with our mats and our other Inhabit accessories that we've got. This has really transformed the van. So there you have it, our new Inhabit Design Works drawer inserts. These are custom made for the Jayco Terrain. I know they make them for a whole variety of other vans as well. So I'll put a link in the description down here to where you can go to their website, see if they've got a set that fits your van. And if they don't, reach out to them and see if they might be able to get one in the works for you. So they're great guys to work with at Inhabit. Brian and John, I've talked to them a couple of times. I actually visited their shop. I'll put a link up here for you guys to check out that little tour that we did a while back. Great guys to work with, and they know quality. They're not cutting corners. If you want good quality gear for your van, check them out. Any last thoughts, honey?
Oh, just loving this van more and more.
It's just so nice to just keep taking this thing up and up, and,
yes,
and just getting so much more enjoyment out of this. I mean, when we bought this van, we thought, hey, it's already equipped. We're not going to really have to do anything. And that's true. It was nice, but man, just the comfort, those little creature comforts from having fresh ground pepper on our steaks, having knives that actually cut. We've been using plastic utensils in the van for so long. So yeah, huge improvement. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if so, please hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback. Take care, everybody. Hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon.